So here's practice action number 6 for my 8 steps to jazz piano improvisation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start to vary the rhythm. Okay, so let me go ahead and put on the metronome. We'll play it at 80 beats per minute. You can go ahead and play it along with me. Here we go. Great job. All right, now let's throw on the iReal Pro track and let's play along with that. Here we go. We're going to do it 2 times. Awesome job. All right, so now remember, when playing this, you can go ahead and play just the left hand with me, just the right hand with me, and then do this hands together. Of course, now the next step after this is that you could start to create your own lines, right? You could start to do your own rhythms. So you could take some of the notes that I already have here and you can expand upon it. You could change the rhythms. Remember, you can utilize any of those rhythms that we did earlier on in the lesson. Take any of those 4 rhythms and just try messing around. You could hear that you could start to get some really nice sounds. All right, so anyway, that's that practice action. I'll see you in the next practice action.